Federal Civil Service don ready to do the first ever International Civil Service Conference, and na Naija go host this big event wey never happen before. Head of Civil Service for the Federation, Madam Didi Esther Walsinjak, announce am as she dey talk about wetin dem plan for the 2025 Naija Africa Public Service Day and Naija Civil Service Week wey go happen for Abuja. She tok say dis event na big step to reposition the Naija Civil Service to become better tool for national development and also to show leadership for Africa and the whole world. She tok say Naija dey follow Agenda 2063 wey African Union dey push, and because of that, the country go use one full week do events wey go celebrate the things civil service don achieve and reason how to move forward with better policy ideas. She tok say the International Civil Service Conference na big chance wey dey come. The theme na rejuvenate, innovate and accelerate, and e go bring people wey dey lead public services, reformers and other people from Africa and different parts of the world together to share ideas, promote innovation and build stronger government systems. She say the conference na platform for real change and better future. She still tok say dem dey expect about 5,000 people to show for the conference, and the event go help people exchange ideas on reforms, use of digital tools and technology for government, work for private sectors, join hands with other countries and focus on how to serve citizens better with strong leadership. Esther still tok say her office dey push digital transformation for civil service fast. She say the plan to make everything paperless before December 31st, 2025 still dey on track. The 2025 Civil Service Week go get different kinds of events wey go touch spirit, make people reason deep and bring people together. Everything na to celebrate good work for public service, talk about reforms and build one strong vision for better civil service.
As you may know, African Public Service Day was adopted at the 1994 Pan-African Conference of Ministers in Tangier, Morocco. It is celebrated across the continent on the 23rd of June to honor public service values, promote professional excellence, and showcase public sector innovation. In alignment with Agenda 2063 of the African Union, Nigeria commemorates this day with a week-long series of events to celebrate achievements and stimulate forward-looking policy dialogue. This year, we are incorporating the African Public Service Day into our Civil Service Week and taking the celebration to new heights. It is my honor and privilege to announce that the federal and state civil services will commemorate the African Public Service Day and the Nigerian Civil Service Week from Friday the 20th to Saturday the 28th of June 2025. In the same week, a historic inaugural international civil service conference will be held in Abuja, Nigeria from the 25th to the 26th of June 2025. These events represent a defining moment in our ongoing journey to reposition the Nigerian civil service as a 21st century engine for national development, regional and international leadership. Your participation in these events is appreciated and crucial to their success and the advancement of our shared goals. Indeed, you are an integral part of this journey. The 2025 Civil Service Week, a significant event in our calendar, will feature a series of spiritually enriching, intellectually engaging, and socially rewarding events designed to celebrate excellence in the public service, reflect on reforms, and promote a unified vision for a stronger civil service. The study tour for the state's heads of service will provide a valuable platform to exchange reform ideas and share innovative strategies, thereby deepening federal-state collaboration in advancing the quality and integrity of public administration in Nigeria. This transformative event with the theme Rejuvenate, Innovate, and Accelerate, will convene public service leaders, reformers, and stakeholders from across Africa and the world to share insights, promote innovation, and build stronger governance systems. It is indeed a platform for change and progress. The ICSC will welcome delegates with a cocktail party on Tuesday evening, June the 24th. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, will declare the conference open on Wednesday, June 25th, 2025 at Eagle Square, Abuja. A total of 5,000 delegates and participants are expected at the conference.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.